So this is how we are developing a simple login screen using TornadoFX. So TornadoFX is a plugin which is developed on top of the JavaFX. We can download the plugin. Um, just go to Control Alt ES plugins, then search for TornadoFX. Yeah, I have already installed, but you will be getting an option to install it. Just go ahead and install it. Once you install it, you can create a project based on that. So select new and project. Select TornadoFX as the type. In the TornadoFX, you can see Maven, Gradle, then other two options as well. But for this demo, select TornadoFX Maven project. Then I am using OpenJDK 15, and the language used for developing this demo is Kotlin. Okay, so click on next button, give some name like as test tornado fx, then click on finish button. It will ask you something like you want to open it, say in new window select. Okay, the project is created in a new window. So we can see what are the components. The main type is Kotlin, the language is Kotlin, and there are two packages. One is app and other one is view. In the app, you can see two classes. One is my app and styles, and the view package, you can see main view. But you can just open all these classes and inspect yourself. But what happens is you can see a lot of compile time errors. That is because uh, we haven't added any runtime dependencies for TornadoFX and JavaFX. To resolve this compile time errors, what we have to do is we have to open the pom.xml file, which is there in the root of the project. Just open it. Then you can just add some of the dependencies here. For that, just open your browser and type TornadoFX, then select tornadofx.io site, select guide, then just open it up, click on guide, then click on setting up button, sorry link, then scroll down. You can see some of the Maven plugin here. Then select these three dependencies and come back to the test TornadoFX project. Then add these three dependencies. By this time, this project would be compiling and resolving all the compile time errors. Just ignore this error for the time being. Uh, the app has compiled now with all the dependencies, and you can see that compile time errors have been resolved. Yes, yes. Now you can see that the name of the view is main view, but we want to refactor it by giving a name called login view. So just to refactor it, we are going to use login view instead of main view. Now uh, it is given the name, the title of this view is hello TornadoFX. We are going to change to login screen. Now we don't want hbox as the uh, top hierarchy because uh, when we are creating a Maven project, by default, it is taking hbox as the container. We want to change this to vbox. Vbox is also one of the container in the JavaFX, and we are going to remove all these things. We are going to add a property called field set. Then we are going to give the name of the field set is login information. Now we are going to add one more container called hbox. And again, this is for providing the username information. So we are giving label, then username. Then we need to give a, a text field for accepting the username. So we can do that text field, text field. Now, so this is the first row. Now we are going to add a input field for password as well, like this. So copy this box, then change the label to password. Of text field, we are going to say password field. We need one more row for uh, button, which is that login button in this case. So just copy this box entry, then remove this and give button, say login. Okay, that's it. So this is a simple login screen. We can run it. But before running this application, we need to make a couple of changes also. That is, we need a main entry program to run this login view. So for that, we can create a new class called my app run, which is the entry point. So by using companion object, uh, main. So this is the entry point of when we run this application. It is similar to the main method in Java. Then we can say my app dot run arguments. Okay, because we are getting a compile time error because the run method is not existing in my app. So we have to create it. You can create a run method in this class by one run, then arguments array, then string. Now, by using the launch method, we are going to execute the login view. So launch, then we can say my app, then arguments. That's it. So we have to import this launch class. That's it. So select my app run, then right click over here and select a run option. It is building the application first time. Just be patient. Yeah, it is running now. It is running the application. Yeah, we can see the login page is very lovely. It's very simple, right? Login screen, login information. I mean, this is the name we have given in the field set. This one. Now this is the username and this is the password. This is the login screen. Right now there is no logic we have added. We are going to add the logic for a login screen later. So this is how you can develop a simple login screen using TornadoFX. It is very simple. There is no scene builder. There is no FXML required. Everything we have added inside the Kotlin class. It is that simple. Okay.